Lamide, what's up, man?
Oh, man. Stella, what's up now? Guess what? Yeah, what's up? This is the brand new PlayStation 5. No. Calm down. No, the rush. Calm down. See, I will beat you, but before I do so, I want to.
Guy, open this thing. Open my whoop you now.
But calm down now. No, the rush. Guy, calm down. Before I beat you, I think the most important thing I want to do is to explain to the people exactly what to expect in this game and the redefinition of 4K gaming experience. Man, this is the best thing of the century. Well, Techuncode will be reviewing the PlayStation 5 and tell you the special features and what to expect in this game console. And we have one of them right here in our studios, so you know what to expect then. Techuncode reviewing the PlayStation 5. The mere fact that we're reviewing the PlayStation 5 shows you how fast the world has evolved, coming from the good old days of Nintendo, popularly called Famicom in Nigeria, down to Sega, and then the very first PlayStation 1, which right now will be a classic, certainly one I'm eager to play again. The rapid rate of evolution takes us to the era of PlayStation 2, a time when we began to appreciate 3D animations and effects, and that also marked a shift from gaming as we used to know it before the turn of the new millennium. PlayStation 3 marked a very significant leap from 2 as we saw an improvement in the CGI, computer-generated images, and facials. We also witnessed a drastic increase in the user interface. The PS3 also marked a transition from the wire control to the wireless control. That's a feature many gamers loved and cheered so much, probably because of the fragile state of the old console, which made it susceptible to damages. After a while, with the release of PS4 and PS4 Pro, it exposed fans to a new dimension of 4K gaming and entertainment with HDR technology. Gamers also got a chance to store their games, apps and screenshots as well as videos with up to 1 terabyte of storage inside the console, which was significantly lighter in weight. And now, PS5, set to officially launch November 12th. When it comes to the design of the console itself, the most obvious thing is its scale. It's not just big, it's historically big, one of the largest video game consoles ever built. It measures in about 390mm tall, 260mm deep, and 104mm wide. The PS5 is set to sell at $500 in America, which I would say is a fair price considering its compatibility with 4K and even the 8K screens as opposed to the 1080p view, which fans have become very used to. According to Konami and Sony Entertainment, the PS5 is far more powerful than PS4 Pro in a lot of sense. One reason is that the PS5 loads game faster than the PS4 Pro, offering some 20 seconds extra speed, which reduces the wait time for anxious game lovers like me. Because you might have the urge and need to download games off the internet, the PS5 console comes with 825GB of space, which you'll be required to save enough space to load the games. So basically, you have to proportionate your game and your downloads. You sure will enjoy this game. Another exciting feature of the PS5 is the luxurious-looking user interface when you turn on the console, and it's different from the solid blue interface of the PS4. There's really so many things to expect and admire in the PlayStation 5. No wonder the social media is filled with memes about it. You certainly would be lucky to get your hands on one of these consoles. Remember, even if you add PS2 and PS3, it still would not make PS5. So, I suggest you get yourself one of this console.